Hey everybody, it's Jocelyn back with another video. As you guys see in the child, today's video is going to be a unboxing on Jessica Simpson's makeup brush line called Beauty Fiend. I'm super excited. When I first got introduced to these brush sets, it was from BeautyCon. I got the holographic set. It was a 4-piece set. They're really dirty right now because I've already used these, but they're super soft. I love these brushes. They clean, like when you clean your brushes, the dirt comes out super fast. You don't lose strands of hairs from brush hairs or anything like that. These are like for real high-end great brushes. And so I seen that, I was like, I seen her website for the makeup brushes, and I was like, ooh, like, you know, I want to try some more. Like, I really liked her brushes. And then I seen that it was 60% off for their year-end sale. She had like a little, when you go on the website, it was like a little code that you could see, and it says 60. If you use the code, you get 60% off every brush set that you bought. So I went a little crazy and bought like 6 brush sets, but don't judge me. But here we go. So it came in like a little box like this. So just says Beauty Fiend, Jessica Simpson, has a picture of her. And then it has like this little pink and white tissue paper that says Beauty Fiend on it, signed by Jessica Simpson. And then when you open it, it has like a little card. It comes with one of these in each of your boxes. And it says, every person's beauty is unique. My new makeup brushes are a reflection of the individuality we all possess. Enjoy, create, be you. Signed by Jessica Simpson with a little, like, I guess like a kiss on there. And then it says beautyfind.com, jessicasimpson.com, hashtag JSBeautyFiend, and Jessica Simpson style. At Jessica Simpson style. So basically all her handles and hashtags for the brand. And this, so I bought a total of 6 brush sets, but I ordered them in 2 sets. So one was with 4 brush sets, the other was with 2. So I have like I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna go in any order. I'm just gonna go based off what was in front. So every set comes with like a little pouch, and it says Beauty Fiend Jessica Simpson, and it's like, it has like a little drawstring right here so you can tie it up. How it has like a little bag, cute. Yeah. And then when you open it up, it comes like a little clear packaging, and then each brush comes in like a little clear package as well. So it's super safe, you know, they're not gonna mess up or anything like that. So this is going to be the Magical Luxury Collection 5-piece set. And every brush, hold on. Oh, dang it. I didn't mean to do that. I just took them out the thing. But I'm gonna put these back in, and then I'll show you. Yeah, okay. So every brush comes with like a little engraving that says JS on it, which stands for Jessica Simpson. So hopefully you can see that. See JS, and JS. And so this is the Magical Luxury Collection. So it just looks like this. This is like a little eyeshadow brush. This is the powder brush. This is like a highlighter brush, like a little fan. You can just use it to put your highlight on. Another eyeshadow brush, and another like small powder brush. So that was the Magical Luxury Collection 5-piece set. Alright, next I'm going to be showing you the Buff to Perfection Face 3-piece set. Again, it comes in a little pouch and thicker packaging. So this 3-piece set comes with 2 face powder brushes and a foundation brush. And again, they all have the JS on it. So this one is like a foundation brush. This one is like a face powder brush. This one as well is another face powder brush. Alright, so that was the Buff to Perfection Face 3-piece set. Next is going to be the Regal 3-piece set. It comes with a small powder brush, used as a foundation brush, and another powder brush. Again, that was the Regal Face 3-piece set. Next is going to be the Prismatic Dreams Collection set. The 6-piece set comes with 3 eyeshadow brushes, a contour brush, and 2 powder brushes. And I'll show you what they look like. So here are the 3 eyeshadow brushes. And then powder brush, contour brush. Oh no, this is a powder brush as well. So 2 powder brushes and a contour brush. And that was the Prismatic Dreams 6-piece collection set. Alright, so that was the first box. I'm going to go into the second box. So the second box comes with the Sparkling Essentials Collection 5-piece set. So that would be this one right here. So it comes with an eyeshadow brush, a face powder brush, another face powder brush, face powder, or like a blush. I use this for blush, and either foundation or like under eye powder brush. Again, that was the Sparkling Essentials Collection 5-piece set. Lastly, it's going to be the Magical Diamond face piece set. Oh, you know what? I like the one I just showed you was the Sparkling Essential. Was the Magical Diamond 5-piece set, and the one I'm getting ready to show you is the Sparkling Essentials 5-piece set. My bad, I got them mixed up. So this one comes with 2 eyeshadow brushes, foundation brush, another foundation brush, and a face powder brush. Alright, so that's going to be the Sparkling Essentials Collection brush. Again, the set before this was the Magical Diamond Face Piece 5-piece set. Alright, everyone, So thank you for watching. Make sure you comment down below, like and subscribe, and click the bell twice to get post notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.